To use live transcribe to capture speech and display them as a text on Samsung Galaxy S24 Ultra, swipe down the top of the screen and then tap setting icon. Scroll down the screen to find accessibility. Tap accessibility. Tap hearing enhancement and then tap live transcribe. Now open live transcribe.
Ladies and gentlemen, today, I stand before you to talk about one of the most pressing issues of our time, climate change.
As you can see
This is not
that your phone will capture the speech or sound and write them as a text on your screen. If needed, you can copy paste your transcription to other apps. To do so, select the required text and then tap copy to copy the selected text to your clipboard so you can use it to another app. Okay, thank you for watching. Please help to like and subscribe. Have a nice day.